guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I am excited because always as soon as I hit record the sun, my favorite holy grail primer has a new version. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. All right, so as y'all know, this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Universal Blurring Balm Powder. It comes in shades you can use as foundation, but I use the universal shade as a primer. Love this stuff. The other one almost just slipped down. Love this stuff, right? Already started a dent in this one. If you were to swatch this, nothing on the finger, that's how it looks. Just blend it out, right? Just clear. So imagine my surprise when I get a package in the mail and I see this. This is the Yummy Skin Radiant Blurring Balm Powder in the shade Universal. So same thing, but now it comes in a radiant shade. What does it say? And that is what it looks like on the inside. So this is the regular one. You can tell by it having bronze packaging, and then the new radiant one is a little bit more goldish packaging. That's what the two look like on the inside. Radiant is like a little brighter, right? They're pretty much the same shade, but you see how it's a little bit, I'm trying to see. I feel like Radiant looks a little shimmery. You gotta like look really hard to see it though. And then if you were to try to swatch Radiant, y'all know the Fenty shimmer body butter and how like that's very visible, noticeable shimmer. It's not like that, but it is a little more shimmery with the new Radiant version compared to the original. So let's do our makeup with the new Radiant, because y'all know I got oily skin. So we'll see, we're gonna do our makeup with that and then see how not only it looks, but I would imagine it'll wear the same throughout the day. But hey, never say never. So we're about to find out. Oh, wait a minute, that moved like butter. A little bit more than the other one. Ooh, just dug my fingernail into it. Okay, go ahead, blend it out. All right, I feel like in some instances it was giving a little Tin Man. But I also used to use that Charlotte Tilbury, it's like a glow, it's a liquid highlighter almost under foundation, and that was a cute look. And I feel like that's what this is reminding me of. So just make sure you really blend that into the skin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. All right, y'all, this is how my face came out today. She's cute. She's cute. I wasn't necessarily worried about it looking cute because it's the same product. It's just a radiant finish to that one. And I do think she's a little bit more radiant on the face. I'll wear it for a little bit to see if like there's any differences or if I notice anything, but I feel like this is just what you're going for if you want a little bit more. Well, that was rude. As I was saying, I feel like that's what you go for if you want a more radiant look. Like I said, I used to put that Charlotte Tilbury under my makeup just to kind of, you know, get that kind of glow from within, and I feel like that's what this one gives, but I'm gonna let it rock. So I will see y'all later. All right, y'all, so it is later. I'm like, let me give you my thoughts on this primer because I'm pretty sure I understand how I feel about it. So this is what my face looks like hours later. And here's the thing, my face is not oily. My skin is not producing oil, but I filmed content after I left y'all for the day and I was looking back on it and I was like, I feel like my face looks glowier and not shiny as if my skin was oily, but shinier, right? And I'm like, that would be because of the primer. So my thoughts on this primer are, Wears like the original. Does look nice on the face. However, I feel like this is the primer that you go for if that's what you're going for. Like if you are looking for a look to be more, you know, not shimmery, not necessarily shimmery, because like I said, it's not like the Fenty body butter where you can straight up see the shimmer. But if you want your face to be glowier, shinier, kind of like I mentioned, using the Charlotte Tilbury underneath for that kind of glowy, actually just kind of imagine like you're using highlighter under your foundation, which a lot of people actually do. And people are like, well, why would you do that? Because when you put foundation on there, it's gonna, you know, mute it out, blah, blah, blah. Not necessarily. Depending on, you know, what you use underneath and the foundation that you use underneath, all of that as well, you very well could use highlighter or something glowy underneath your foundation and it still shows through so that you get a radiant look on your face, right? So I feel like that is who is going to like this product. Personally, for me, I feel like that's a once, you know, every once in a while type thing. I might want that. Would it be like an everyday thing for me? No, it would not. You know, would probably photograph really nicely as well, so maybe also consider using it for something like that. But when it comes to like everyday makeup type thing, I'm gonna stick with the original universal shade as my go-to holy grail primer over here in this household. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And yeah, that is it for this video. Those are my thoughts on the new Radiant Yummy Skin compared to the original. Like I said, pretty similar, except one just has shimmer in it. Again, very slight shimmer. I did mention that it looked a little, you know, Tin Man-ish applying it on my face, but like I said, the people that I think it's for will purchase it knowing that going into it, and you'll like it. If you wouldn't like your makeup that way, don't waste your time to get it and then talk about how it looks like that, because don't say I didn't warn you. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope seeing this and hearing me test this out has helped. If any of you think I'm checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.